all things glam. Welcome to Build a Bitch Workshop. This is the 8th video.
We are pretty girls. We are pretty girls. We are pretty girls. I'm so pretty. We are pretty girls. We are pretty girls. We are pretty girls. You know I'm pretty.
This will be the last of the short videos that I do speaking in reference to this question. I actually recently got asked, why plastic surgery? Look, I'm not telling you to go out there and get plastic surgery. Everybody doesn't need plastic surgery, but chances are if you think you don't, sis, it's probably you that do. I'm just telling you that if you're gonna get plastic surgery the right way, know all of your facts and do all of your research. That's all I'm saying. And I'm here as a thesaurus. Something to help your ass figure it out. How about that? I don't see plastic surgery as what we do to change ourselves directly. I see it as an enhancement, okay? So I'm just saying enhance yourself if that's what you choose to do. If you don't think that you need enhancements, then don't get plastic surgery. It's as simple as that, people. I mean, gee whiz. I've also been told I don't love myself, honey. Let me just start by saying, I love me some glam gram. I love me some glam gram, okay? Me wanting to enhance myself does not take away from me loving myself at all. And I don't think that women should be ashamed to say that they've had enhancements. Women have been doing it for years. And particularly with my culture, I know for sure they are ashamed to say that they do skin lightening or they do different procedures. Well, I'm not. I'm just going to tell you what it is. I've done it. I'm going to do it again. If I like the procedure, then I'll proceed with it. So for you who are asking me why plastic surgery or saying that I'm body shaming people, I'm not body shaming anybody. The only person that I'm doing plastic surgery to is myself. Okay, that's it. I also wanted to do an update to my update. So previously I did say that a 7.7 hemoglobin was safe, right? And it is safe. I mean, you can live with it. It's not necessarily safe to do surgery. I did want to elaborate on that a little bit. I will be taking iron infusions as I am taking iron pills to bring up my iron, because I cannot have the surgery at 7.7 hemoglobin. I mean, you'll probably need a blood transfusion after that. That can come with a whole list of problems if you attempt to do these surgeries when instructed not to. Even though I was clear, my doctor knows, and I know I say a lot of things. My doctors know me. They know I go on a tangent and I rant. But I do love my doctors. Let's get this clear. And I do always seek a second opinion, and they all know that. Doesn't mean I trust them any less. But just be sure that you're not going out of the country and doing these surgeries when you're told by a doctor in the States or in Europe or wherever it is you're from that you cannot get the surgery done there or here. The reason being is because you're risking sudden death. Okay, one doctor may be able to catch something or have your medical records, and another doctor may not have your medical records or not be privy to what it is that's going on with you. So I would suggest you not go outside the country and try to have a surgery that you're supposed to be having in the country that you're from. I'm going to give you a prime example. At one point I was told that I could not have a plastic surgery. And I actually went out of the country to the DR, and I thought I was going to get the procedure done. I mean, good thing I did come to my senses, and the doctor probably wouldn't have done it anyway. But you just should be really, really, really safe when it comes to your body, because this is the only you're going to get. I do realize this is the only me that I'm going to get. With that said, I only do 1 to 2 major procedures a year. Okay, so you'll actually hear me talking more about maintenance and different things that I've done versus what I'm going to do this year. You can have more than one procedure done at a time when you're down under anesthesia. So this is the reason why I will be getting the BBL and the breast augmentation at the same time, because I will be under anesthesia. And this will be the two things that I will have done to myself this year. Now, next year is a different story. I will be doing something new next year. As I told you all, I was going to do a nose job, but I'm really careful when it comes to that. And I would suggest you guys do the same thing. Again, you only get one you, okay? So I'm doing this the safe way, and I want you all to be safe too. You got to take care of yourselves, people. You've got to take care of yourselves. If you don't take care of yourself, how are you going to teach the next person to take care of you? I don't expect no man to take care of Glam Graham when Glam Graham can take care of herself. I'll show you how to take care of me and how to love me, because I love me. So for you who are hitting me up in my inbox saying, well, I don't think you love yourself and I don't think you love your melanin, I love everything about myself. I just want you to know that, and I wanted to clarify and clear that up. Of course, I do not need a disclaimer for this video because these are facts. But little porcelain dollies, I do appreciate y'all watching these videos. I do appreciate you all rocking with me. And if you like this video, I want you to share. I want you to like. I want you to comment below. And I want you all to subscribe. Until the next time.